At a traditional or stick-built home, any deck, balcony, or porch with a ledger board must be securely anchored to the house. Nails are not a reliable means of attaching a ledger board. They're prone to withdrawal as a result of the stresses caused by both vertical and lateral forces. At an existing deck, balcony, or porch where the ledger board is simply nailed in place, usually the easiest and least invasive means of anchoring the structure is to drive lag screws through the ledger board and into the building's framing. Lag screws and washers must be of an appropriate size and metal. Some hardware will fail if it's subjected to moisture or contact with pressure-treated lumber. For maximum strength, lag screws require proper spacing, and they should be staggered along the length of the ledger board. At the time of repair or construction of a deck, balcony, or porch, good design calls for lag screws or another alternative through bolts with accompanying nuts at the ledger board, and a suitable flashing, usually a metal L flashing, to protect against moisture seepage into the exterior wall of the home. Obviously, it's important to pay attention to all of the little details when maintaining an existing structure or building a new deck, balcony, or porch. Otherwise, given unfortunate circumstances, structural failure is a possibility, and if a deck collapses, that unexpected calamity may lead to disgruntled partiers, serious injuries, or both.